is done. Picture it. So today we're unboxing a product from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a very good company. It's been around for some time. Made some good products. I've reviewed some of these products from this channel before. And the product today is a microwave. It's called, its official name is Xiaomi Mijia Smart Microwave with grill and cooking mode. Now this product should be available to you from your nearby retail store. If it's not available, you could pre-order for it. If you're from UG, you could order for these from dopfy.com. I was actually very impressed with this product. I was very impressed, and I believe you also need such in your kitchen. If you don't already have one from any other brand, you could think of Xiaomi. This microwave is very good. You could grill, you could heat, you could do a lot with this. Now the first thing I realized about this microwave is that it's heavy. It's a heavy one. You are really gonna use up a lot of strength carrying it, and also depends on the size. Actually, the size matches its weight. It weighs around 12 kgs. So, and it has a capacity of around 23 liters. So I believe you're going to be able to do a lot of stuff with this microwave. Now looking at the front of this microwave, the front has a digital display with a time indicator, and below it is a button used to regulate the length of heating and a button to open the door. So the design is pretty simple and functional at the same time. Now coming to the door has, I think it says 4 layers of protection. Now most microwaves out there have a window that is transparent, but this has a pattern of white coating, and I believe this is gonna help reduce the quantity of microwaves that could possibly escape from the microwave itself after heating your food. Now I must say this is a smart microwave, and it achieves a performance of around 800 watts. So you'll be consuming 800 watts per use, and in barbecue mode you could go up to 1000 watts. Now Xiaomi also adds ultra fast heating mode, which is able to heat all kinds of food in record time. I must say I've tried it and I believe you will love it. And the other thing is that this microwave comes with Wi-Fi inbuilt, so you could control it using your mobile phone. Now, who doesn't love such convenience? Imagine controlling your microwave via voice command using the Xiaomi voice assistant. Oh my, this is so crazy. This Chinese company is really bringing up very interesting products on the market. Though the assistant currently only works in Chinese, so probably maybe in the future they'll release some other brands that support multiple languages. Now, through the mobile app itself, the microwave offers a total of 15 different recipes for the preparation of your meals and another 25 smart recipes. So you can access this through your mobile phone. So make sure you download the app, the Mi app. You can scan the QR code. When you open the door, there's a QR code there, so you could just scan it and you'll be able to download its application. So now I believe that's enough of the talking. Let's get to the product. So for this video, I'm going to be preparing popcorn. We're going to be testing it with popcorn, and later on I'll make some other videos using the microwave. But I believe you must get this in your kitchen if you can. Now this cost me around 600 RMB, so depending on where you are or where you're gonna buy it from, it may cost you a little cheaper or maybe a little higher. But I believe I really got a good deal for the kind of technology I'm receiving. It is done.